Introduce highlight features or overview summary for TOOLCY 5500W gas-powered generator. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful 5500 watt output. Driven by the high-performance GT1000 OHV engine, this generator delivers 5500 watt peak power and 5000 watt rated output, ideal for construction sites, backup power, and running multiple heavy-duty tools or appliances. Durable steel frame design. Built with a rugged carbon steel frame, the MBG5500 reduces impact damage and enhances stability during operation. A reliable choice for fixed installations and rough job site environments. High-efficiency alternator with AVR. Equipped with an automatic voltage regulator or AVR, and high-performance alternator, it ensures steady, clean power, safe for electronics and more efficient under heavy loads. Extended runtime fuel tank. The large-capacity gas tank supports longer continuous use, minimizing the need for frequent refueling and maximizing productivity in remote or emergency scenarios. Multi-layer safety protection, includes low oil shutoff, oil warning lamp, and AC circuit breakers to help protect both the engine and connected equipment during operation. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.